Hello guys and welcome to our channel SS Tech Learn. I hope you are doing well. So let's start and learn some new commands. Before that, please do subscribe our channel. So first we have the concatenation command. So what is concatenation? So concatenation is simply adding two columns. Like if we have a column name first name and a second column name last name. So by using concatenation we are just simply adding the both two columns. So let's see the syntax of that command. I have already typed the command. So let's see. First we have select, then the column name, first column you want to add, then the two vertical bar, then one apostrophe, space, then again a apostrophe, then two single bar closing, and then the second column we want to add, then from the table you want to add. And I have used as name add. I have changed the column name which I want to. If I want to change the name of the column, in temporarily change the column, so I am using as keyword. So if I run this command, it will just simply change the first. It will change the column name. Here I have mentioned like name address. Here has added the two columns, guys. So next we have case conversion. But if we want the data in our table to be in uppercase, we will use the select upper name from the table. It will simply convert my data into uppercase. This is my uppercase conversion. Here you can pin that particular query. Let's check about our in the table. We have names in the lowercase. By using this query, we have converted all our data to uppercase. Okay. So next we have, if you want a data of a particular row, like we have a name employee, we want the data of a particular employee, so we will use name in with where keyword. Okay, that command will get the data of that we have mentioned. So simple command, like we will use a select keyword, then the name of the column we want, table name, where mention the name in keyword, the name of the why we want. Last we have a, we want the data column, like suppose have a column I have a column name. Here I have a column name name. If I want the data with name changed, column name changed, I will use command. It will show me the data, same data, but with the different column name. Okay, we will just use this command, change the data column name. Hope you like this.